In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Basecamp for project management. We'll explore the core tools that make Basecamp a favorite among teams for efficient and organized collaboration. Basecamp centralizes your workflow, providing a streamlined approach to managing your projects. Let's dive into each tool and see how it contributes to seamless project management. First up, let's talk about to-do lists. Think of this as your digital checklist. Here, you can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines to keep everyone on track, and monitor the progress of ongoing tasks. It's a straightforward way to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. You can even add notes to each task, offering clarity and additional context for everyone involved. Consider using the Notes feature to include specifics that may not be obvious from the task title alone. This can become particularly useful in keeping everyone aware of nuances or potential pitfalls. Next, we have the message board. This space is your go-to for sharing announcements, providing project updates, and facilitating document discussions. It essentially acts as a bulletin board for your project, where all crucial communications can be housed in one centralized location. This eliminates the need for endless email threads and ensures that all team members have access to the latest project developments and key conversations without being buried in individual inboxes. Encourage your team to make a habit of checking the message board regularly so nothing gets missed. Moving on to schedules, which brings a crucial aspect to the table: a visual calendar view. This feature allows you to map out important dates clearly. It's especially helpful for visualizing project timelines and ensuring that all critical deadlines are front of mind. When everyone can see the timeline laid out in a calendar format, it not only helps in staying organized, but also assists teams in planning workloads effectively. Consider color-coding different project components or phases so they stand out at a glance. Docs and files are there to provide a safe harbor for all your project documents. Whether you are uploading files directly or linking to cloud content from platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox, docs and files offer a secure and convenient way to keep everything organized and accessible. This tool is particularly valuable when working with designers or other departments who may deal with large files. Make sure to establish a consistent naming convention and folder structure, which helps everyone know where to find what they need. Last but certainly not least is Campfire, the chat feature that fosters fast and informal communication. This tool is perfect for quick team conversations. It allows instant messaging among team members, often cutting down on the time it takes to fire off a quick email or schedule a meeting for simple questions. Use Campfire to maintain open communication and facilitate spontaneous brainstorming sessions or immediate feedback loops, ensuring continuous momentum on your projects. Each of these tools plays a pivotal role in making Basecamp a comprehensive project management solution.